Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wi-Fi Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are doing an unboxing and review of this INKBIRD Bluetooth Wi-Fi Smart BBQ Thermometer, the IBT-26S 5G. Let's go! So INKBIRD got a hold of me, asked me to do a review of this product. I was more than happy to, because I do use a bunch of INKBIRD products as it is. I use their other wireless Wi-Fi thermometers, and they're fantastic. I have a couple of them, and I use it through the app, so I'm able to go anywhere and check on my food that's cooking. Now this one is an upgrade. This is the newer version of it. This has up to 6 probes, so you could actually do 4 pieces of meat, 5 pieces of meat, and have an ambient temp probe as well. What I really like about this is with their old model, you could only do it on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi setting. This you could do it on the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. When I was setting up the old thermometers, I did not know that, and it was kind of a pain to set it up because I had to refigure my router in order to get the Wi-Fi probes to work. This looks like it should be all taken care of inside this box. So let's open it up and see what we get here. So immediately we see we have a manual, we have the actual thermometer, and we're going to pull out this box and see what's inside there. So we have the actual unit here, which is going to give us all of our temp, and I really like the feel of this. This is nice. It has a little latch here where you can use it to stand it up a little bit. Comes with a couple clips for your ambient temp probes. Comes with your USB charger, and it comes with 4 temp probes. So this is what it comes with in the box. Have your manual, your 4 temp probes, your actual device, your USB charging cable, and 2 clips for ambient temperatures. So what we're gonna do now is give this a charge, because I am gonna use it on a cook today, so I'm gonna let this charge up for about an hour. That way we can make sure it's set up properly and we can use it for today's cook. So let's go ahead and charge this, and I'm gonna see if there's an app or anything we need to download for this particular device. So we'll be back when it's time to do that. So we let this charge for about 45 minutes, hour. It has a very nice interface, what I'm seeing right now. Once we get the probes plugged in, we'll know more about that. The setup was very easy. Just follow the instructions in the book. There is a QR code to scan. I already had the app because of another INKBIRD device, but if you do not have the app, the QR code will take you to the app on your phone. From there, you just follow the prompts. You go ahead and pick out which device you're looking to pair, and then it will pair it to Bluetooth. And then it'll go over to Wi-Fi, where you put your password in for the Wi-Fi, and then it connects. And that's it. Now you're hooked up, ready to go. You'll be able to check out your temperatures from anywhere you are on your phone. And it was seamless and simple to do, which I am very happy, because when I got the other INKBIRD multi-probe Wi-Fi, it was a pain not knowing about the different Wi-Fi settings you need to set it up to. This was simple and easy, so I'm so glad they fixed that. So we are going to do a cook today. We're doing a turkey breast roast video as well, so we're going to use this to monitor that cook. We're going to unroll these probes, set them up, and manage our cook with these probes. One thing I do like is they do come colored, so each probe has a different color here, so you can tell which one is which, and they're metal and they're screwed on. The other thermometer had rubber colored sleeves, and those would either come off, or after you cook a while they get sooty and you couldn't tell what color they were. So these are really nice colored metal pieces. They should not come off. It looks like they're screwed on or somehow stuck on here, which is great. So we're gonna go ahead, fire this up, get to monitoring those turkey breasts, and see how this thing works. As of right now, I'm really liking the feel of everything about this. Real quick, these are the probe settings. You got 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, and you could use one for the oven too, so up to 6 different probe settings here. I'm just gonna use 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4 here, and we'll watch how this cook goes. Right now, this is pretty sleek. It is really light, which is nice as well. I'm just gonna take these Velcro wraps off because I don't think they will hold up in the smoker. You could always wrap them back up later. And this one I'll use for an ambient probe, and I'm gonna put this in probe 4. So 1 and 2 will go in the meat, 4 will be in on the grate so I can monitor temps. So let's get this on and see how it looks. We have these probes on our turkey breast. We have it on the grill. The ambient temp is being watched as well. We're gonna close it up, let it go through this cook, and at the end, we're gonna see how it did. I have some pretty high hopes for this. It's going pretty cool so far. So let's close it up and see how this cook goes. So we have wrapped up our first cook with this INKBIRD 2GS 5G, and this thing worked great. It was super simple to set up. You scan the QR code, you download the app, you add it to the app, and then boom, you set up your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It's super simple. You're able to go ahead and adjust your temperature settings to get alerts when you hit certain temperatures, either within the grill or within the meat you're checking, and it's super simple. It'll beep and let you know when it's ready. I loved using it. I'm going to keep using it. I do love all the INKBIRD products that I've used so far, so I am going to continue to use this. My only 2 little concerns are the other probes came with a rubber sleeve, which helps you take it out by hand without burning your hands. So with these are all metal. You're definitely going to need a glove or a towel of some sort if you're pulling these out of the meat. Otherwise, you're going to burn your hands. So make sure you have a towel or glove on when you're removing these from the meat you're checking. And also the magnet on here, it's good, but it's not great. I did have this set up on the grill next to it, and it was a little weak on that magnet. The other INKBIRD thermometers were great. They would stick, you know, really, really hard. This one, it sticks, but it's not as great, so it may get knocked off a little easier. My only 2 concerns with this so far, the display is great, the range is great, being Wi-Fi, you could go anywhere. I went across the street and I was able to still check it. That being said, check it out, go find it online. It's a great barbecue thermometer, so check it out, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks for checking out the video. Check me out on social media, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.